What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. Today I made these banana fritters. Okay, so first you're gonna get yourself two ripe bananas. You can use three as well, but I use two because these bananas are really big. So you can use as much as you want. I am using two. So you're just going to remove the skin and place them in a bowl. Okay, now you're gonna go ahead and use a fork and smash them. So you're going to smash them until they are all smooth and smashed out, and then you're gonna go ahead and add some sugar to it. I used 2 spoons of sugar. You can use less if you want, or you can use a little bit more. And then I'm just mixing it in just like this. After that, you're going to add some salt to it. So this is actually half teaspoon of salt. I would not advise you to use a lot of salt, just use a little bit to help to add that taste, you know. Then I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, so just half tablespoon. And then after that, you can go ahead, well, this is optional, you don't have to do it. You can go ahead and add a little bit of nutmeg, but it's not something that you have to do. But the nutmeg give it an extra taste, an extra spice. And then now I had half cups of flour. You don't need a lot of flour because it's banana fritters. And that's actually half teaspoon of baking powder. So now just mix everything in until you get a nice consistency. Right, just like this. So now we're going to fry them. So you're going to heat up your pot, add some oil, and then you're going to add as much as can hold into your frying pan, and then you're just going to allow it to fry until you start seeing a little golden crust coming up at the side of the fritters. Okay, so just allow them to fry in the oil until they get this nice golden color. After that, when you see that nice golden color coming up, then you're going to turn them over on the other side and allow the other side to fry as well until you get that nice golden color again. So just allow them to fry. So now you're going to remove them, and this is how they're looking. It's nice golden brown color on each side of the fritters. And then this is it, guys, some banana fritters, and this is them are enjoying it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.